Hello and welcome to my channel where I do daily Bitcoin technical analysis Monday to Friday, analyze price action and prepare setups for trading and some levels. So we have strong daily close, expect the high to be taken, same story as yesterday, possible consolidation, but at some point expect the high to be taken. And that's all we need for now. Let's just check what happened yesterday. So this 42k was yesterday's daily open, and my projected longs were basically taking out this low, taking out this low, maybe lower, maybe weekly open. All of them got like front run. We didn't get any of these, but for me it's not a problem to not catch a trade. It's fine. There is always more opportunities and your best trade is always tomorrow, so you don't miss anything. So I closed my long from Thursday, from right here, all the way up here. I was planning for this 43,500 more or less for some time. This is high time frame level, important for me. And yesterday when we broke the daily open, I was saying it's probably just gonna break out. I don't expect to take the high and drop. We got some reaction here, but it's all good. So what do we have now after such a large move up? We could get some backtest, but I would prefer this to continue up, because when it starts reversing we can get a very deep retrace. Similar story as yesterday. We test the upside and we test the downside. We test both sides on monthly, weekly, daily candles, because usually there is a wick. There is most of the time you can find a wick, and to get a wick you need to test the side. So same story as yesterday. We test the downside and then we test the upside, which has basically no resistance and it just flies. Same today, we test the downside. The moment market structure changes, how many times we took the low? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, maybe 6, 7. Yeah, so one interesting important theory is that when you take the low, you're expecting to get breakout traders and you're expecting to stop out longs which turn into sells. So there is breakout sells and stop out sells. You create liquidity basically by taking the lows. And when you get a lot of sells, the price is supposed to drop. Why is it not dropping? That's the bull flag theory basically. Why is the price not dropping when you're creating selling pressure? Because some bigger guy is absorbing, because he wants to push price higher. We don't know how much he wants to push, maybe that's it. Maybe he wants to go higher, but the guys with limit orders, they control the book. The guys who are selling, they are selling, and on the other side there is a buyer. And for me, the most interesting part is who is buying and who is selling on limit orders. I don't care what the retail is doing. I do care, I take it into consideration, but usually I just fade it and trade the opposite. Always follow the big guys. So yes, so today yesterday I closed my long around here on daily open, and today, the moment I see market structure changing, we break the weave up, I enter the long here. So I'm in a long again. My projection was trying to take daily open and then see what happens. We are dancing around daily open now, and my stop is gonna be on entry probably. I don't want to play around with this because we can get another retrace, another liquidity grab before moving up, or we can just completely roll over, because the level on 43, 500, 600, this is a high time frame. I like this level, and if you're talking about high time frame levels, it's not gonna reject like this. You take the high again, then do some trap, then maybe we reject after few days. I never expect just one touch on high time frame levels. And what people usually do, they either miss this move or they lost some money, they will need to get it back, some revenge trading, maybe some FOMO, and they are opening trades here. For me, this is when the price is going up, the big guys, they're basically marking it up because they want to sell, and then they are selling. So you never trade like on this one. Why is there all these patterns, head and shoulders, MW formations? Because the first move is never to be traded. You get more data, then you see some taking out the high, and then you can go down. This was actually a valid short opportunity. If you don't consider the bullish momentum on higher time frames, this is a valid short. And this again, it's a valid short. I don't know about the probabilities, but it's much better than shorting on the way up, right here, on the squeeze. First you do liquidity, you take liquidity, then you trap, and on the trap you enter, like this. So let's see order flow, what's happening there. Let's do some more analysis so we can get a better plan. Yesterday's value area range, we are still inside. The lows are around 42k. So 42k, possible to get full rotation down today. It would be completely normal, 42k. So I keep this in mind. Imbalances. If you saw the line we are rejecting from right now, these are short imbalances. And if you take the imbalances, then you have clear way down, basically, because people try to short on the first move up. Well, it's not the first move, this was the first move, but you don't consider this finished yet. Now this is the second move. So people try to short, they are taken out, and at this point it can go down easily, like 50, it's 50-50 probabilities here. The long was here, the short is here now. There is very good chance that we take the high, and there is decent chance that we take the low. So you choose your trades. I still expect the high to be taken, and the imbalances are cleared. I don't have any information, anything useful from the imbalances. See shorts trapped yesterday, before the move up. There's not that much long trapped here. Okay, let's see order flow here. First, let's see if we see something interesting from yesterday, because today we are acting very similar. You reject. We saw basically price going up and CVD going down. That means people are pressing sell, 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 sell while price is going up. And why is it going up if people are selling? Because the bigger guys, the market maker, the Santa Claus, I don't know what you believe, they are pushing price up. It's simple as that, and you see proof of that. Because people are selling, that's a proof that people are selling. Why price is going up? Because sellers are doing bad job now. And from this point, we start the squeeze. That's where retail start buying. And from this point, we could actually get a back test 43,500. Very interesting place, 43,500. It can easily come back and backtest this, because that's the point where CVD started going up. I usually like to take out all the CVD, all the retail basically, they are usually taken out. So 43,500, interesting level. Then we take the highs, and locally we see support, VWAP trying to resist, then decent support all the way here, below 43,700. 43,700, this can easily be taken out, because we start seeing people buying here, and they getting stopped out probably already. You see CVD rising here on this point and CVD dropping on this point. So I am assuming he had a stop loss around here. And it's probably the same guy because CVD is rising and dropping similar amount. Some shake here, shake out. So this is people buying. Yeah, so it's gonna be hard to say. Like the order flow is 50-50. It's not bullish, it's not bearish. People buying, price is going up. People selling, price is going down. Simple as that. There's no useful information from this. So let's go back to trading view and make some plan. What do we do? Yeah, so I am long from here today. The moment we change the market structure bullish, reclaim VWAP here, I am longing. And I expect high to be taken because daily time frame looks very bullish and it closed bullish yesterday. So I'm keeping this long. The opportunities for longing, if we go down, maybe take out this low. 43,500, I said it's good. Wait, what is this? This is 0.5 at 43k. Okay, so if we do some backtest, where is the POC? Deepest retrace for a week, 41k 700. This 42k I don't care about anymore. Right here, another one. These levels are gonna be very hard to trade. I would expect some W kind of formation, or maybe a bull flag lower. This is aggressive trade if we take out this. There could be some panic obviously, so be careful with this, but potential opportunity today. Short on taking out the high potential opportunity. In the middle it's chop 50-50. We took out the imbalances, we have a clear way down, but we expect higher prices. So what do we do with this? Price can easily drop, but we expect higher. So what can price do before it does what you think it will do? I mean, take the high. It can easily take out this low. So keep this in mind. You think it's gonna go up, but it can easily go lower. So be prepared for that. And to trade this kind of thing, you need to wait for something like this. The moment it's changing, I long, and now I have some room in green. I can manage my trade. I will be stopping it out on entry because it's not worth it. It can go down much lower. This is gonna be stopped on entry and I can enter again here. Or I can come up with another opportunity later with more information. Okay, so if we go higher, we have some levels at 46, but I think it's gonna like pump and try to do this, pump again, something like that. Pump, do this, go up, and then come back down to backtest this structure. This is what I think is gonna happen when we break out. Yeah, so the most important thing, don't short on wake up, don't short this. Wait for some consolidation, then try to take the high. This is your short, right here. Or consolidation, take the low. This is your short. This is your long, sorry. Simple as that. And same here, consolidation, take out the low. This is your long. Yeah, so there's not much to say today. We're probably going higher. Maybe we can get a correction. We have some levels prepared. Prices can fall from here. Expect high to be taken at some point, but we can get big correction before the high is taken. So have fun trading today. Hope you learned something, and see you tomorrow.